In today's video, we are going to see a seemingly simple concept, but we have to use it. If we use it, it will become very stylish and appropriate. So, we are going to see how this word else is used, else, E-L-S-E, how this word else is used in our daily speech. See here, we use else to mean other after somebody, like somebody else, someone else, something else, somewhere else, anybody else, like that. You see here example, would you like anything else? Would you like anything else? I am sorry, I mistook you for somebody else. I am sorry, I mistook you for somebody else. Where else did you go besides Chennai? What else would you like? What else would you like? You are wearing somebody else's dress, you are wearing somebody else's coat, like that. Now, you see, we will improve these sentences. There are 9 sentences, we will improve these sentences by inserting else. Please observe. Have you any other things to say? Have you got anything else to say? Have you anything else to say? You can repeat, have you anything else to say? You must see another person. You must see somebody else. You must see somebody else. What other thing must I do? What else must I do? What else must I do? I have some other thing to show you. I have something else to show you. I have something else to show you. What other place can I go to? Where else can I go to? See, observe this, how this else is being used. Where else can I go to? Whom else can I request? What else can I do? What other person is coming with you? Who else is coming with you? Who else is coming with you? There is no other thing to say. There is nothing else to say. There is nothing else to say. Ask some other person to lend it to you. Ask somebody else to lend it to you. Ask somebody else to lend it to you. What other person did you speak to? Who else did you speak to? Who else did you speak to? So, like this only the word else is being used in our day-to-day speech, and even in writing we can use it. When we are writing conversations and dialogues, we can use it. I will give some more examples. I will give this type of construction and then make it use it with else. All the other people have gone. How will you say this? We will say everyone else have gone. Everyone else have gone. What other person did you see? Who else did you see? At what other place can I find one? Where else can I find one? What other person is coming? Who else is coming? No other person, none, no one else. We can say no one else. Have you decided on any other thing yet? Have you decided on anything else? Have you decided on anything else? At what other time could we meet? When else could we meet? When else could we meet? At what other thing is there to talk about? What else is there to talk about? What else is there to talk about? Can you tell me any other place to visit? Can you tell me anywhere else to visit? Can you tell me anywhere else to visit? Hurry up, all the other people's glasses are empty. Everyone else's glasses are empty. You must have mistaken me for some other person. You must have mistaken me for someone else or somebody else. What else could I do? Another is or else. You do this or else I will do this, like that. So, this or else we will see in the next video as a continuation to this. So, in today's video we have seen a very simple concept of using only one word, that is else, and how can we use it in our day to day communication. So that just go through this example and listen to the video and keep using it now. Instead of, it will reduce the length of your sentence, as well it will make your speech more accurate and appropriate. So, let us see in the next video the use of or else. So, these two videos, let it go as a combination, complementing to each other. So, in the next video we will see or else. Thank you.